Come test drive the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.